What the fuck? Oh my god, look at that. What is good, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. Hope y'all are having an amazing day, enjoying your weekend. As you can see, we're back with the GT in the beautiful neighborhoods of Beverly Hills. And you already know what we're gonna get into. We're about to get a little POV. You guys loved the last POV I did, so obviously that's what you guys want. If you're new to the channel, it's a GT63s 4-door. It's got the Zegno, I think it's called Brilliant Blue Magno. It's like a satin blue, full carbon interior, carbon dash, carbon wheel. It's got the red seats, insane spec. And it's not crazy modified, but it's got, as you can see, like spacers, fitment, and it's got like a blow-off valve, like intake setup, and decent exhaust setup. Not full, it's not crazy loud, but it sounds really good. It's like a actual catback, muffler is removed. It sounds real good. But anyways, let's hop in and let's go for a drive. Probably head down Sunset, if you guys know that. We're gonna head down the strip, check out Beverly Hills, Rodeo Drive, and there was a lot of cool whips out, so stay tuned. And it's got fresh tires. This thing is fast. If you know, you know. Man, I got hella whips parked up in there right now, bro. Bro, the crazy like singular pop. That just sounds crazy, bro. Damn, this thing takes off like a rocket. Wheel's so grippy, it's hard to one-hand it. Alright, I'm sorry BHPD, I'm going to relax. It was empty road, I was being safe, y'all. Leave me alone, I'm on your side. Sounds way different when you have the windows up. It's like a different noise. It's like straight engine noise now. Sounds cool. Oh my god, look at that. Holy shit. Bro, DJ Khaled in that shit, what the fuck, like. Seeing these per song waves popping up everywhere, like. Absolutely blockaded. Callie the Kitty's here. Oh, we're getting blockaded crazy though. Woo! Hey, this thing zips, bro. New tires made a huge difference. Look at the interior, man. Bro, this is the crazy dealership. See the logo? Let me know in the comments which one of these whips is your favorite. If you could even see them though. It's like, can't see anything. It's probably a crazy reflection on camera. I can barely see it in real life. We're about to hit sunset. Let's hit some twisties, man. I do not want to go this way. We gotta go this way. We're popping on flash. We're gonna test this out for this video. See if it looks cool. Woo! This thing is fast, bro. It's crazy how quick we just got to the speed limit. Like, just instantly. Insane house. It's my favorite corner and everybody's blocking me. What the fuck? Why did it just do that? Bro, at least we know the car will like try to keep you safe. Quick little stop. We're about to just mob down Sepulveda, go get some tacos. Hopefully we get some open road so I can like let open the car a little more. But dude, this thing is a beast, so we gotta go get some like night footage now. Insane looking. I love the way the blue looks on this thing. The beast is awoken. Pop City. Bro, the wind noise probably crazy. This shit thrashing. Well, that sounds crispy now. That upshift pop that did sounded crazy. We're almost at the tacos though. I am ready to eat, bro. Whew. And got the horchata. GT63s. Oh yeah, this shit about to go crazy.